Hi, in this tutorial I would like to show you how to resize canvas size in GIMP. So there is one really helpful option that I recommend you to use in GIMP. First, we need to move our cursor to the left upper side, and here we have something like image tab. We need to click on this one option, and then we need to go to canvas size. This option will let you to adjust the image dimensions, so I click on it. So here we can change canvas size dimensions. In my project it is set to these values. So for example, we need to change width. I will increase this value to 2500. Of course, you can change other settings here if you want. For example, you can set here if you want to resize layers or not, and you can set here fill width option for transparency, white, foreground color, background color, or pattern. And after that, you need to click resize button. And now canvas size has been successfully increased, but if you would like to fill this area with background color, you need to click right mouse button on layer with a background, and you should choose here a special option layers to image size. So it's all for today. If I helped you to do it, remember to like this tutorial and subscribe my channel. Don't forget to buy me coffee from link in description.